YouTubers, edit that out. I'm new to the channel. Just started the game. You know, I'm a DIY guy like myself. My name is Ray. I just want to show you guys about Ego and their lawnmower. This is pull this camera. My sister helping me out. This is a model number LM2100. LM2100. Now this mower, I had it for 2 years. It works pretty good. It's not self-propelled, but it works good. But I always used to wonder if it had a striping kit, but I realized it didn't. So that's why I looked it up. I found out a universal one that's for gas, and I converted it for electric one. Now I didn't see no videos about this, so I did it myself. So I had brought this kit from M&D Mower appliances. So basically these parts come off. It has two brackets, but the screws, come closer. The screws, if you see, I had to use my own washer and nut to lock in the two bracket frames. As you see, it's got kind of beat up, but it had to lock in to, I don't know if you have a kind of tools you have, but you have to find a certain kind of washer and nut to fit in the hole, because there's two. There's a hole right here. Come closer, please. There's a hole right inside here on the top of this mower that slides in. You put the washer and it locks in the two frames. And after you do that, okay, you basically, you take two washers. This is the screws it comes with. You lock it in. Then you screw it in like that. And tighten it. Tighten it with this is 11 wrench. 11, but you also want to hold it at the same time. So, get something to hold it. It's still moving, but you get what I'm trying to go. I'm just trying to show you like how you do it, and you do the same thing to the other side. Now this striping kit is built for a gas mower, so Ego didn't make one for this, so I just found out a universal one that's actually compatible. I didn't know it was compatible. It's like me risking taking a gamble. So if you guys are ever thinking about getting one, or want to be professional, like show some stripes, you can just try this out, and it works pretty well. The cons of this striper is that the turning doesn't turn as well, and without these cables, don't come out, kid. These are called boot clamps that I got from an auto store. It was a lot of play. Too much play. There's already play now, so it was like literally rolling back and forth. So for me to keep it from rolling, it's kind of loose now, but once I tighten the back nuts, it'll keep it sturdy, and then you just mount like that. This is how the striper looks on the mower. Let's hold on to it. As you see, I did two test stripes. It's kind of like a curve, but you can see it actually made stripes in the lawn. And now I'm gonna finish off another two stripes and show you how it looks. as you can see, the stripes on the electric mower, it looks just as good as the gas, and then it actually works on a universal gas mower on an electric Ego mower like this. So Ego, if you could make a striper kit for us Ego fans, please do. And if anybody has comments or questions, please let me know. I just started, so yeah, let me get back to striping. Do another stripe.